Hey boys and girls, like I promised, here's another video. I have 15 different rod and reel setups, and I really need to start protecting them better. Sure, I have lure protectors, I have rod socks on them usually, but when traveling, you really have to protect your investment. Now, I'm not able right now to put a roof rack up on top of my truck, so did some research, saw a bunch of people's inside racks, saw that they were selling just straps on Amazon, which got faulty reviews because they dip, they're not that strong after a while. So I'm going to show you actually not a DIY project, but my completed DIY project. My personal inside roof rod rack for my truck. What I did first, and you can see right here, I bought this right here is a 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe. You could go either schedule 40 or not, it doesn't really matter. Inside here you can see, let me hopefully you can see it, I would imagine you can right now. A 24-inch red bungee cord. Yep, there we go. And I attached on each side to each of the hooks inside the truck roof. Now, to clean a PVC pipe, to get all that writing off, all you simply need to do is basically wash it down with acetone. You could get acetone at any one of your local hardware shops, your auto shops, Home Depot, AutoZone, Lowe's, you name it, they sell acetone. Worst case scenario, you could use nail polish too. But run it over it a couple of times, gets all that ink right off of there. I then spray painted this with apple red spray paint. Red, my favorite color. Big red wave coming. These white loops right here are just simply plastic shower curtain hooks. I don't know how good you can see it from right here, but right here I used a little bit of crazy glue to strengthen it a little bit longer, and simply attach them with blue 8-inch zip ties. And this is the side where the reels sit. By the way, before I did that, I put my 2 personal stickers on them. Check out CycloneComedy.com. And here's the other one. Then what I did, if you come around with me, is I decided also, because I wanted something a little bit stronger than just the front and the back, something in the middle. So the PVC pipe is now red. I ordered a blue luggage strap, and you can see it go clean across from the back handles, right? Gives it a little bit more strength. And then here's what I found after looking at a bunch of other people's, the ingenious part. I took a white adjustable shower rod curtain, hence red, white, and blue. Long live America. And what I did was I attached them to the inside part of the hand grips, as you can see there, and as you can see hopefully right here. And I attached with black electrical tape as well as crazy glue to it rod clips that I cut. You could simply get them at Bass Pro, I guess really any fishing tackle place, Tackle Direct has them also, I think, in stock. But that's for the tips of the rods. Now, while I made this entire project, I figured I would hold it with, a good number of rods. I put 7 on, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I thought that would be the end of it. However, I miscalculated. I made a mistake. Okay. See, man enough to admit when I make them. Write the day on the calendar. Doesn't happen too often. I'm always measured side to side from the left side of the truck to the right side of the truck. For some reason, I didn't measure from back to front of the truck. Here's the problem. With the exception of 2 of my 15 rod reel combos, they are all of them, 1-piece rods between 7, 6, and 8 feet long. Found out afterwards, once I put all this stuff together, it's only 6'9" from back to front. So I have a little problem I still have to work out of how I'm going to safely travel with those extra rod and reels. Sure, I could put the seat down, and just lay them across. That's all well and good, but if I want to travel with somebody, can't do it with those rods being laid down. That's a to be continued. I still don't know what I'm going to do. But I did want to bring out some of the rods and reels just to show you how they work. So, first one, and this is going to be hard with just one hand, but we will try our best. Now, what you want to do first is angle it to get up to the very front of the truck. Of course, now that I'm doing this, it's not working. See how that slides in? Excuse me. Nice and easily. Rod, tip, there, boom. Let's, excuse me once again. And let me just grab another rod for you. This is one of my favorite fresh water rods. It is my Daiwa Samurai. I have a small multi-cut fish lure on it. Angle this, turn it, angle to the front. These things work until you try to actually put it on camera, and boom. See? From underneath, let's zoom out. And what I did was I measured from this 22-inch PVC pipe straight through, so everything is lined up correctly. Let's just bring you around so you could see. Goes both rods over the blue. And let's just show you the front as well to show you that it actually works. Of course, it's twisted a little bit, but that's okay. as you can see, hopefully, the rods are in fact nice and secure. Now, the really good thing is, because of how tall I am, I still have 5 inches of height from the top of my head to the roof. So, as you can see, this is a great project if you have mostly 2 or 3 piece rods, or if you just have smaller rods, unless of course you have a larger truck than what I got. But to quote Max Holloway, it is what it is. Once again, Cyclone requesting you pretty please follow me on Facebook and Instagram at PsycheProds. Talk to you later, Gator. Bye.